Welcome to JH. MagVolt is out here claiming to be the ultimate smart charging solution, promising to balance power across your devices without melting them into a puddle of plastic. It sounds like a tech-savvy dream, doesn't it? Because nothing says cutting-edge innovation like a product whose primary selling point is that it might not set your nightstand on fire. But before you get too excited, let's look at the glaring red flags that suggest this might be more of a smart way to lose your money. First off, the website is practically screaming at you with a massive 65% discount and high-pressure slogans like "last day to grab this promo." It's the classic "buy it now or your life is over" marketing strategy that totally doesn't scream desperation. They want you to experience lightning-fast charging for modern living. But the only thing moving at lightning speed here is their attempt to get you to check out before you start asking questions. Honestly, if a deal looks this good, it's usually because the product doesn't actually exist. Next, let's talk about the visuals, or rather, the lack thereof. Most of the product images appear to be borrowed from the stock photo archives of the internet. If a company can't even be bothered to take a real photo of their own invention, you have to wonder if the product is just a figment of a graphic designer's imagination. Then there are the technical claims like smart power flow technology. It sounds incredibly fancy, but there's zero independent proof or testing to back it up. In the tech world, unverified features is usually just code for "we made it up because it sounded cool in the brochure." The customer support situation is equally inspiring, consisting of a single email address with no phone number, no live chat, and no physical address. It's comforting to know that if your charger fails, you can send an email into the void and hope for a miracle. To top it all off, we checked Trustpilot and found absolutely nothing. No reviews, no feedback, and no signs of life. It's almost as if the satisfied customers are as invisible as the company's headquarters. So is MagVolt legit? Between the fake urgency, the recycled images, and the total lack of human evidence, this looks more suspicious than a free cruise offer. My advice is to be extremely careful and maybe buy a charger from a company that actually exists in this dimension. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews that save your bank account from your own curiosity.